since the advent of AI. The way of earning in online has also increased a lot. You only need to know proper way and mediums. One of those ways is a blog site. Through this you can easily start earning online. So let's begin. First need to go ChatGPT. So I will search chat to OpenAI. After coming here, I have asked ChatGPT to suggest 10 simple topics on food blogs. ChatGPT suggested me 10 beautiful topics for blogs. Now I have asked ChatGPT to each of these topics to write a full blog separately. And ChatGPT pretty much wrote the entire blog for me. Now I will copy all this and keep it in a Word pad. In this way I will write full blogs on all the topics and save the straight ones. When all is done, I will move to blogger.com. After coming here, I will go to the sign in option. Now I will create an account with my Gmail. Here I have to give a title for my blog, since it will be a food-related blog, so I will give it a Food Nations. I will give a URL here. Since this name is not available, I will add something else to it. Here I will give the name. I have created a blog site. Now I need a description of this site. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to write a description. ChatGPT has written a nice description. Now I will copy it and go to my blog site. Go settings and paste it on description. After some customizing, complete my description. Now we need a unique template, so we will move to sourtemplate.com. Here you will find all kinds of templates, and if you want you can use it for free. I need a food-related template, so we'll find. After a little search I will enter it called Foodie. First let's take a look at the preview to see how the site will actually look like. I will download its free version. If you want, you can purchase the premium version. Go to Blogger Settings, then Themes. Here blogger.com has some websites of its own. You can use them here if you want. Since I will be using a different theme, I will go to Customize. From there I will click on Restore, then click Upload. I have unzipped the file. I will bring the XML file. Now I will enter the URL of the blog site and see if the theme is showing. Yes, it appears. Now it has to be customized according to me. To customize, go to Blogger, then Layout Options, then Header. I need to add a logo or image to my site. So I will select Upload Image from Computer option. Now it is written below that the image that I will give must be 225 pixels wide. So I will go to canva.com. Take a canvas with width 225 pixels and height 100 pixels for design. Since I already have one design, that's why I'll just get it on resized. Very simple design. I will download it. I will come to the layout and select the image. From below, select instead of title and description for now. And save. Then go to my site and reload the page. It's done. I will post one now. I will copy the title first. Paste here. Also here. I'll customize it a bit. Center align. Large the size. And make it bold. I will copy a blog from the blogs that I have saved in WordPad. Then paste here. The lines are random, so to fix them, I will select the whole and justify. Now I will highlight some parts to make it easier to read. From here I will bold it. Then it. This way I will bold all the topics. For more easier to understanding, underline it. I have already downloaded some images. This blog related. I will upload all images. And arrange every image separately. Post should give some level which will be used as tag. Out of this I will give some words as level. Healthy. Salads. Snacks. Click Publish. And confirm. Now I will go to the site and reload the page. The post has been published. Let's open it. I will create some more posts like this. By going to the layout option, you can easily customize the full page, including linking social media, footer, giving your information, etc. By going to the status, you can see how many views have been received today, tomorrow, and all time. And how many views a post has received, everything. You can see how much yarn you have earned from the earning option. But for that you need to create an AdSense account first. And many posts should be created by doing SEO to bring traffic to your site. Then through AdSense you can generate a good amount of money by running ads on your site. Now many things may seem difficult to you, but when you get practical, then many things will become easier. As a suggestion, there is no harm in creating a site for free, because in all cases the competitors will increase day by day.